In this video, you'll learn how to create an e-commerce website using Webflow. By following this guide, you will be able to set up your online store efficiently and effectively. Begin by navigating to the Webflow dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Webflow URL to access the platform. Once the page loads, you should see your workspace overview. Ensure you are login credentials to access your projects. After successfully accessing your workspace, locate the option labeled Sites on the left sidebar. Click on this to view all your existing sites. This area is where you will manage your current projects and create new ones. Next, look for the button labeled New Site at the top right corner of the site's page. Clicking this will initiate the process of creating a new project. A new window will appear, presenting you with different options for site creation. Once the new window is open, select the option for the AI site builder. This feature allows you to leverage artificial intelligence to generate a site tailored to your needs. After making your selection, the interface will transition to the AI site builder. At this stage, you will see a prompt that says, describe your site. Click on this field to enter details about your e-commerce site. This description is crucial as it guides the AI in generating relevant themes and layouts. Type in the phrase, create an e-commerce website into the description field. Ensure that your input is clear and concise. After typing, press the Enter key on your keyboard to proceed to the next step. The next prompt will appear, allowing you to structure your site. This step is essential for defining the layout and organization of your e-commerce site. Click on this option to move forward. After structuring your site, you will encounter a button labeled Generate Site. Clicking this will prompt the AI to start creating your e-commerce site based on the previous inputs. This process may take a moment, so be patient while the system works. Once the site generation is complete, you may see a message indicating generate more themes. This feature offers additional design options if you wish to explore further customization. Following that, you will receive prompts to customize your design. Click on this option to modify various design elements according to your preferences. This step allows for significant personalization of your online store. The next message will guide you to customize your sections. Here you can adjust the layout and content of different sections within your site. This flexibility is important for creating a user-friendly shopping experience. You will also see a message to generate a layout. Click on this prompt to finalize the overall structure of your site, ensuring that everything is in place before you proceed to the next step. Another message labeled Preparing Site will appear while the system gets your site ready. This message indicates that the setup is in progress and it may take a few moments to complete. Following this, you will see a prompt saying Creating Sections. This message indicates that the system is currently working on establishing the different sections of your site, which is essential for organization. Next, you will observe a message stating Drafting Content. This phase involves the AI preparing the textual and visual content for your e-commerce site, which is crucial for presenting your products effectively. As the process continues, a message will indicate Finalizing Pages. This means the system is wrapping up the setup and preparing the final version of your site for your review. Finally, you will need to wait for the entire process to finish generating. A message will confirm that the site is complete, at which point you can review and make any additional adjustments as necessary.